Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And today, we're finally going to admit something, guys. Today, I'm going to be admitting to you that I believe I have a tool problem. So, we got a tool problem, guys. We like to buy tools. We like tools. If you're in the same boat, like this video, comment down below that you are also addicted to tools. So today, guys, we're going to be looking at our Icon / Harbor Freight tool haul. We're going to go over some tools that we purchased. A lot of times these tools are not purchased at one time. It's usually purchased within a period of time, taking advantage of sales or just picking up stuff that we need. So today we're going to be going over my addiction, which is buying tools and having tools. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and go over our tools that we purchased from Harbor Freight. We're going to start out with Icon. So here we have the Icon Professional Ratchet Flex Head 90 tooth. This was recently on sale. I believe we got this for the Labor Day savings. I believe this was like $15 or $20 off the original price. So we'll just take it out here for you right here. And you guys have seen the Icon socket wrenches before or ratchets before. Comes in this blow mold case. Has a little cloth there so you can wipe it down. And nothing too special. It's not a locking flex head, it's just a flex head, 1/2-inch drive. So that's what we picked up. Next on the list, again, another Icon tool. We got the Icon Professional Deep Socket Set, 3/8 drive. It's going to be metric. It's a 13-piece set. There's no skips. It goes from sizes 7mm all the way up to 19mm thin wall. Here's the back if you like. You can check that out. So we'll take this out of the box. This was also, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this was also part of the Labor Day savings. Pretty good deal. Couldn't pass it up. Pretty nice. Seems like pretty good quality. I haven't tried the Icon impact sockets yet, so really excited to try these out. The problem I've been having, guys, is so much tools, and I usually stick to the same ones that I use. If you guys notice in a lot of my videos, I use a lot of the gear wrench sockets and socket wrenches. But now with all these, we're going to be trying to use these a lot more. That way we can give you guys our opinion on what do we think about them. So that was the second Icon tool we purchased. The last Icon tool we got up is actually by accident. So I've been trying to stay away from them, but I just couldn't pass up the deal. We have the Icon Professional Long Combination Wrench Set. This is also a metric set. No skip sizing. It's a 10-piece set. It goes from 10mm all the way up to 18mm. So this was another deal we were able to take advantage of on a technicality. So we received an email. I want to say it was for the Labor Day savings. It was for one of the savings that in the email it stated up to 40% off Icon hand tools. That was one of the... We did a video on that sale of the savings. If you looked at the actual coupons, it was only for Quinn hand tools. So we caught that. I apologize I didn't get to put it out there for you guys. But when we went to Harbor Freight, this was one thing I've been wanting to try out, is their wrench set. Harbor Freight was nice enough to honor that coupon, so we were able to get 30% off of this set. So I couldn't pass it up. Harbor Freight was willing to honor that, which I really, really appreciate. Technically, they didn't have to honor it. Technically, in the store, I would have had to call corporate or the online sales, but Harbor Freight being really cool, they went ahead and honored it, so that's pretty cool. So we haven't really took them out yet, but it comes just like this. You got to unscrew this so you can take the wrenches out, but we can get this one out, so we'll show you right here. Pretty excited to try this out. Has icon there. Feels like a really nice wrench. Feels like good quality. So super excited to try it out. I've been hearing a lot of good things about the wrenches. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys have some good, bad stuff to say about the wrench set? So super excited about that. Again, thank you to Harbor Freight for honoring that. I do appreciate that. You guys do stand behind not only your products, but you do stand behind your advertising. And you guys have always been really cool on that aspect of it, so I really appreciate that. So next up, a few items that we just happened to pick up. We'll start out with the heat shrink tubing assortment. We ran into a situation where we didn't have just some heat shrink for some wires on a customer's charger that had a wiring issue. So this was regular price, but we went ahead and picked it up. I think it was like $6 for this whole container, which was not a bad deal. So got that. That's from Storehouse. Also in the wiring department, for that same reason, we got this Chicago Electric, Chicago Electric 1/2 inch by 7 foot protective wire wrap. It's like a wire loom, so we can put wires in there and help protect them a little bit better from getting frayed or chewed up or whatever the case may be, or pinched. So we picked this up. I think this was only like $2 or $3. Not 100% sure, but picked that up as well. Next, it was on sale. I think it was part of the super coupons. Again, don't quote me on every single thing, but most of this stuff I got on sale. Like I said, I purchase it throughout the weeks, months, and sometimes I forget. Next thing we picked up that we don't have is this Maddox 3-piece rear axle bearing puller set. Such a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. I think it was on sale for like $20. I don't have a axle bearing puller set, so I thought I'd pick this up because I think we're having an issue with our car that might require this. So I went ahead and picked this up now. It's from Maddox. We'll go ahead and take a look at it. If I can get it open here. So if you guys want to take a look at what it includes, it's going to be right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Your typical Maddox blow mold case. Not a big fan of these. These latches are plastic. I really don't like them. But you open it up. You get a little bit of some paperwork there. And then there is your bearing puller set. So not much to it, guys. Like I said, it was pretty cheap. We don't have a bearing puller set, and I think we're going to need one very soon. So why not go ahead and pick it up while it's on sale? I'd rather have the tool and not need it than need the tool and not have it, although you could just always go pick it up if that was the case. But like I said, I've got a tool addiction problem, and we like tools. So anyway, last but not least, a thing we seen that I thought was pretty cool and decided to go ahead and pick it up. I use this stuff quite a bit. I usually use the slime version, but we have the Maddox Heavy Duty Automotive Tire Repair Kit. So I think this is pretty cool. If you guys want to see what's there, read the box, you can go ahead. And there's everything that is included. You guys could sit there and pause it, read it. And I apologize I didn't give you the serial numbers, or can't even think of it off the top of my head. But the part numbers, I'm sorry. I know that I didn't give you guys the part numbers on a lot of this stuff, but if you just pause the video, you can see it in the corner. Or if you really want to know, put it in the comment section below and I will add it. So checking this out, again, typical Maddox blow mold case. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And this is what you guys get inside. You get some paperwork. You get some your glue. You get your actual tire repair. I don't even know what you would call it. Sticks. You get quite a bit. There's 2 packs here. You get your rimming tool and your tool to insert the patch. I guess that's what you would call this, is your actual, just your patch. Your pliers, a couple additional tools. You get a box here with the little razor blade, some valve stems, some valve cover things. So it's pretty cool. These are pretty heavy duty. Hopefully you can see it there. It's got Maddox logo on it. I know that the slime versions that I've purchased, like through your typical auto parts store or your Walmarts or whatever, pressing on those sometimes I feel like I am going to break it, although I've never broken one, but I feel like I'm going to break it. So this feels like it would hold up a lot better. Usually on those other ones, the handle is like a hard plastic, and then your stem is some type of metal. So that's pretty cool. If we open up the little box it gives us, that's what's inside of that. Here's your little knife or your little blade to cut it off. Nothing special. I think they could have done a little bit better on the pliers. They looked like just some cheap pair of pliers, needle nose, but still not bad. So anyway, this was $20, not on sale. That's regular price. For $20 for what you get, I really don't think that's a bad deal. I like how it's all in a case, because that's the issue I've been having. I know slime does sell, and there's probably other products out there, slime included, that has something similar to this. I've just never seen it in store. I know slime has a smaller version of this and doesn't have all this, but I think this is really cool. You have every single thing you need to do the emergency tire repair, either in the field or, God forbid, if you're driving down the road, you get a flat, you don't have a spare, to pull this out, fix your flat, air it up, and you're good to go. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There is our Icon / Harbor Freight tool haul that we've picked up over the last several weeks for your super coupons, as well as your Labor Day savings, and just some of the tools that we just came across that we needed, or supplies. So anyway, I do want to give out a big thanks to Harbor Freight on that wrench set for honoring that coupon. It's the right thing to do, but they didn't fight me on it at all. They were very understanding, and so I appreciate that. I'm not going to say the location, but thank you guys for that. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There is our Harbor Freight tool haul. If you guys have any good or bad things to say about any of the tools that you've seen here today, make sure to put it in that comment section below. If you guys are also addicted to buying tools, hit the like button and put it in the comment section below, guys. Before we end the video, I do want to reiterate, a lot of my views are coming from non-subscribers, so if you haven't already, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. It also helps my YouTube channel grow and be able to create more content. Now that we hit our 1,000 subscriber mark, which I couldn't do it without you guys, now that we're getting a little bit of revenue coming in, it's going to help me expand and buy more tools. That way I can show you guys, do reviews, unboxing, stuff like that. So anyway, guys, that'll be all for today. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.